What is up, everyone? Hope everyone's doing well. It is February 1st, 2025. So, January trading is in the books. So, I want to give you a little update on uh, my profit loss for January 2025. Let's start off first with the day trading strategies. So, let me pull that up quick. Day trading strategies are strategies that I trade in the morning, and we have a live stream the first hour and a half, hour 15 minutes of the market open. And I had a red month in January, so minus $2,876. I don't have red months very often. In fact, if you go back, I pull up all of 2024. You can kind of see by month. I had one there that was a really small, and then I had a pretty sizable red month there in November. But it was a little tough. In January, start 2025. The three strategies I primarily trade are the Mighty 90, the Volume Runner, and the Continuation Runner. And there's courses on those three in for our pro members. 40 total trades, and just 50%. So I want this to be at least 60. Continuation runners, 7 winners, 10 losers. That's got to get better. And, a lot of this I think was a mixture of some bad luck, missing some trades that would have been winners, and then I'm just trying to adapt to some of the price movement. There was a lot of trades that I had where, especially with the Mighty 90s. I had a 65% win percentage, but I had Mighty 90s go against me where, in terms of getting out of them, they didn't give me the signals. And I got pretty underwater in them. And so I took some big losses in the Mighty 90s. And so even though I had a 65% win percentage, it was still red for the month. And then continuation runners, I had several that, for continuation runners, it's all price action based. And so we have a line in the sand when we're going to cut those. And I know I had several that went past that line in the sand. I cut them, and then they immediately bounced back and would have been profitable trades. And so when you see a lot of that happening, you got to adapt. So I'm looking forward to February. I've got some new things in mind to help kind of adapt for those, where you get maybe a trade where it goes past your line in the stand, and then bounces back. And so I'm looking forward to doing a couple things differently in February to try to combat that. So that is day trading strategies. Now let's go to my TLC results and my 1DTE results. So every one of these trades is posted for our pro members. And so if you're interested in getting these trade alerts, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My email is chad@navigationtrading.com. I can tell you how you can get access to these, but I post all of these trades in real time. So, as soon as I'm placing them. It was a really, really great month of January. It was kind of a up and down, really. I had 50 total trades, 34 winners, 16 losers, 68% win percentage, with a net profit of $31,405. And again, these are, if you're not familiar with my TLC process, these are 0 DTE trades. So we're trading SPX, we're trading the 0 DTE option chain. We're not holding any risk overnight. Morning iron Condors, 19 and 6, nice win percentage there. I break it down by lunchtime, AM, lunchtime, and power hour. Lunchtime was 10 and 6, nice profits there. Power hour 5 and 4, a little bit red there. Power hour has been pretty rough the last few months. Really, there's been some big price swings. So that's not trading as many trades during power hour. You can kind of see here when you look at it by day. Really started off, January was pretty volatile, and I had some struggles at the start, and then the VIX started to contract and get smaller, and we didn't see the wild moves. And what I have there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 green days in a row, and then finished yesterday with a really nice profit. So that's what finished me up there at 31,405. Let's go back to the 1 DTE now. So that's the 0 DTE. The 1 DTE, again, I'm putting it on. For this one, I'm putting it on at the beginning of the market open, and I'm closing it. Either when it hits profit target, I have a stop for it. It's kind of discretionary as well. Only did 7 trades, 5 winners, 2 losers. Net profit 2,620. I only trade this one if the VIX is up overnight, and we had a lot of VIX contraction in January, so thus didn't have a ton of these trades. But with those profits, brought my overall monthly profit with TLC and 1 DTE to $34,025. So very, very nice month there on these 2 strategies. Again, if you want to get these strategies, because every single one is posted for our members, again, reach out to me, chat at NavigationTrading.com, and I'd be happy to chat with you about how to get those. So in January, in January, I also traded another trade called the Wooga that I don't really track, but I'm going to start tracking it in February. So the day trading that I showed you, the TLC, the 1 DTE, those are my primary strategies I trade. But I also trade a strategy. The strategy is an iron condor, but we call it the Wooga, and it's an hour and a half trade. I probably I only trade this usually once a day, maybe 3 to 4 times a week. So some days I might not even trade it, but I'm going to start keeping track of it as well. So next month I'll have data for not just TLC, my AM lunchtime power iron condors, my 1 DT, also my Wooga trades. So I'm looking forward to getting started in February. It was a great month of January, looking to continue building that momentum and having another great month. So again, questions, reach out to me. You can find me in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, chat at NavigationTrading.com. And I will see you on Monday as we start trading in February. Have a great weekend, everyone.